Hi, welcome to Side Project Report Week 21. I'm a software engineer building startups after my 9 to 5. In this series, I share what I have been working on and all ups and downs of trying to build something on the side. Let's get into it. Currently, I'm working on two apps. The first one, Best Posting Times, is live, it's free for now. And currently, I'm focusing on VibeWriter. VibeWriter is an app for making or helping creating content, posting on Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. The stats from this week are not that good like before because this week I only had 6 hours to work on my apps. And I didn't spend any money because the VibeWriter is still in development phase. So this week, last week, I haven't got any much time because I was sick and I was also in my hotel spending time with family. So not much time for work on my apps, but I still was like committing some chunks of code every day, at least 30 minutes a day. Was focused on being consistent. Last week I create Instagram account and I will use this account to use and test my best posting times app and also the new one for generating the content. And I was mostly focused on VibeWriter, so I added a few configuration to make the app better personalized and just to have the feel of personalization when you're generating the content. I also failed with creating PRD, so I start this idea, the VibeWriter, differently than my previous apps. So instead of starting in the code editor, I start with creating a PRD and discussing with ChatGPT for like 3 or 4 hours before moving to code. I thought that I have like described everything and I know what I want to code. But when I started implementing this, I saw a lot of gaps in the flows and I had to redesign the UI. So I don't know, it feels like I spent time on creating the PRD, but it turns out that it wasn't that good. This is the GitHub dashboard. Like I said, I tried even with not much time. I try to have at least one commit a day. And here, yet again, I managed to have some maybe not viral, but for my small account, I managed to have some tweets that got more views that I have followers. So for me, that's a success. I'm trying to learn the algorithm of Twitter, but still, I'm testing. But most of my posts, most of my tweets has less than 50 views, but sometimes I got more than, as this example, 200. So I'm trying to save this and learn from the ones that got better than the others. The next week goals are mostly VibeWriter. I want to finish the personalization feature, so all the configuration that make the content more personalized. I also want to finish all the generating content stuff and just have the other things to finish, like saving in the database or authentication, managing user management, and deploying for the next week. So this week I want to have fully working app locally, and also want to use this for my own social media. So yeah, hopefully it will happen. And the total stats, yes, I'm counting this from November 2024. So yeah, for now, no revenue still, but we are still on the track. Here is how the VibeWriter looks right now. So the first screen you see when you log into the app is your content preferences, so personalization. For now, it looks like this. So short info about you, target audience. I think I will remove this because it is like self-explanatory that it is easy to get this info from your description. You can set if you want to use emojis or hashtags, and also the accounts you are inspired by. Right now, it's only focused on Twitter. And for example, we can create some tweet from this configuration. So let's try to type some idea, maybe something from last week about me. And right now, the app is generating content in 3 tones, like you see, bold, inspirational, and funny. I think it will be also configurable for the user. And here you see we have 3 examples for every of the style tone. Right now you can't edit this here, you can only copy. I think it will be good to have it editable. And also you have one example for Instagram post right now without the image still, but you have a description for the image. Also for Instagram, the hashtags matters. So even if you not prefer to use hashtags, I think for Instagram it will be by default. And yeah, I also plan to have this cards more like a real Twitter example. So with the Twitter logo, with the time, maybe like views, just to have the real look, the feel of a real post also for Instagram. So yeah, that's how it looks right now. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you and see you in the next one.